Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, understanding uninitialized variables. When JavaScript variables are declared, they have initial value of undefined. If you do not if you do a mathematical operation on an undefined variable, your results will be nan, which means not a number. If you concatenate a string with an undefined variable, you will get a literal string of undefined. So, let's see the task of this challenge. Initialize the three variables a, b, c with value of 5, 10 and IMA respectively so that they will not be undefined. So we have to assign the value so that they are not undefined. So in variable a we will give value of 5. In case of b we will give value of 10, and in c we will give value of a string I am a. Done. And now it should be successful. Run the test and successful. Download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.